Pozdravljeni na odprtju razstave Lepote Taiwana. Danes bomo imeli dvojezično odprtje. Welcome to the opening of the exhibition The Beauty of Taiwan. We will have bilingual opening today. Hopefully I will manage to translate everything from one language to another. I think that whatever I will say in English, everybody here will understand. But you know, Slovene maybe for you is a bit difficult. But okay, I think that we can spend a nice evening together, and thank you all your dear guests for coming. You are actually all connected to Asia, to this beautiful part of the world. We have 6 people originally from Taiwan, but that live in Los Angeles, and we have 2 guests from Hong Kong that have to live now in London. Torej, lepo se pozdravlja vse naše goste. Imamo 8 gostov, tega so 4 umetniki, 4 pa prijatelji tajvanske skupnosti v Los Angelesu. Se pravi, 6 jih prihaja iz Tajvana, ki vsi so v Los Angelesu na nek način, bolj ali manj v izgnanstvu oziroma po izbiri, ko je bilo pač treba iti s trebuhom za kruhom. Danes smo se ravno o tem pogovarjali, kako so šli, zakaj so šli, ali hodijo kaj domov. Večinoma ja, imajo še družine, nekatere deljene v Los Angelesu, nekatere potem še v Tajpeju, na Tajvanu. Tukaj pa sta tudi 2 umetnika iz Hongkonga, ki sta pa pred 2 letoma zaradi političnih razmer sta se morala preseliti v London. Tako da, we give you now applause. Najbolj pa pozdravljam dragega prijatelja, kuratorja, kustosa te razstave, ki je tukaj pri nas že tretjič, ste ga že skoraj vsi poznamo. The most warm welcome I give to you, dear Juan, because you're here for the third time, and thank you for including us again to your European tour, to present you the beauty of art, the beauty of your homeland, connection with other parts of the world. And you brought this again to our small town Brežice in Slovenija. Torej posebej pozdravljamo Juana, ki nam je spet prinesel to mednarodno razstavo tudi k nam v Brežice. Če boste kaj pogooglali, v Berlinu so bili, je bila res velika prireditev, ogromno ljudi, velik koncert, ampak vseeno si zelo želi, da pride tudi k nam v Brežice, so se pri nas vedno lepo, tako da tudi letos so prišli k nam. Can we start with the song? Yes. Bomo pa vseeno začeli še lepše z pesmijo. We have our dear guests, great women from the choir, pevke iz Podbočja. That means singers from the hill, under the hill Boče. That is loosely translated. It is better in Slovenian. But okay, it means like that. Those are beautiful women that like to sing, and you will hear Slovene songs, Slovene folk songs, and the interpretation of these young girls. Da vse razumele, te naše mlade mladenke bodo danes predstavile 3 pesmi iz slovenske zakladnice, pa vas kar lepo prosim, da pridete in da kar začnemo s prvo pesmijo.
Lep pozdrav tudi v našem imenu. Danes bomo pevke govorile o ljubezni. Vse 3 pesmi govorijo o ljubezni, sicer o 3 različnih fazah. Jaz mislim, da tisti, ki slovensko razumete, boste razumeli. Our dear guests who speaks English, our 3 songs presented today will talk about love. In different stages, love is the energy of the world, and the first song talks about young love, when you're first in love, and the men in our song have 3 love ladies, and they're all rich. And at the end, he chooses another one, young and beautiful. Don't know if that is a good decision.
Najlepša hvala. Tokrat, kot rečeno, pustimo tretjič razstavo Lepote Taiwana, vsakič seveda z drugimi deli in na nek drug način, drugimi umetniki. Vse to vedno poveže naš dragi gost, prijatelj kustos Juan Hsu. In mogoče se še spomnite, ob razstavi leta 2018 je Posavski muzej Brežice prejel tudi 2 donaciji. Prvo je bilo likovno delo Mati Gora, umetnice Verone Julej Caj, in tudi, ki je imela še druga dela na tej razstavi, pa še prejeli smo tudi tajvansko žensko nošo etnične skupine Ambic iz 20. stoletja, kjer sta bila donatorji Hawaiian Local Museum, gospa Nancy Chow ter doktor in gospa Xiong Li. Ob razstavi leta 2019 pa je Posavski muzej Brežice prejel donacijo likovnega dela Su Mončaja z naslovom Ples s kvadrati. Torej, v bistvu, to sodelovanje, ki je bilo pač prekinjeno iz znanih razlogov, je nekako tudi bogati našo zbirko, bogati našo ponudbo muzeja, bogati naše delo, bogati tudi naše sodelovanje, naš pogled v svet in sveta nazaj, ker kot boste videli na plakatu, je narejen skupni plakat, kjer smo uvrščeni vsi tisti muzeji, veliki in naš majhni, na tej poti, ki jo vsake toliko prehodi za deli naš dragi prijatelj Juan. So again, I'm explaining our cooperation in previous years when we are honored and glad that we also received some donations from these exhibitions, and they are part of our important collection, and we take care of them very carefully, and we are honored to have them, and we are honored to be part of this great tour of Taiwanese art with some other guests, like today, a guest from Hong Kong that live in London. The artists will spend here and the guests will spend here 2 days. We prepared some program for that, and I'm happy that we include also the small city, the small village Posavskem. So that's why we have this excellent group. We will visit this village tomorrow, so you can have the image of what is the scenery of the songs that are actually not established, not made there, but they are part of our identity. Vse to ste vse razumeli, ne govorim o tem, kako smo pripravili program in jutri pridejo tudi v Podbočje, tako da bodo še začutili vse to, kar vi počnete. Se vem, da niso vse s Podbočja, ampak nekako poti se vam stekajo tudi v to krasno vas, ki bo jutri tudi obiskali. 2 dni so tukaj, ne vsi te naši gostje iz Hongkonga že jutri odletita, zelo na kratko sta prišla, drugi pa potem v četrtek. What is very important now that we can welcome artistic duo Lum Li Lum Long from Hong Kong, who presents themselves with 6 works. 6 works, and this is 3 are here and other 3 are there, so you can carefully go there and talk also with the artist. And also we have the artist Miao Feng Ling here, yes, welcome. She brings here 1 piece that is this great heart with the cross, God bless Taiwan. And of course we also have a work of you, yes? This is just on the left-hand side is the Road Palos Verdes DR, yeah, the title, and we have 28 guests with 13 artists. Yes, of course. Okay, So now it's much more important that I explain this in Slovene. Torej imamo 4 goste oziroma umetniški duo Lung Ling Lung Long iz Hongkonga in tukaj imamo 6 njunih del in sicer sladokusec iz Hongkonga, ljudje z zidu z rdeče opeke, človek s tisočimi rokami, ljudje z opranimi možgani, ljudje nacionalnega izobraževanja in skriti načrt. Pravi, to so bolj taka socialno ozaveščena dela. Potem pa imamo tudi našo gostjo, slikarko Miao Feng Lin, delom Bog blagoslovi Tajvan, to krasno rdeče srce s križem. In pa seveda delo, to je pa pač posebnost letošnje razstave, tudi samega kustosa Juana Hasuja, naslovom Cesta Palos Verdes dr. Njihova tehnika je olje na platnu. Kot vidite, gre za zelo raznolika dela, od popolnoma realističnih do nekih abstraktno abstrahiranih del, približno enakih formatov, ker veste, da to je moralo kar daleč potovati in potuje z Juanom po letalu, ali pa recimo so se pripeljali celo iz Ženeve preko Ziriha v Zagreb. You traveled from Geneva through Zurich, Geneva, Zagreb, yes? And then now here to Brežice. Celo z vlakom so potovali, prej pa seveda še v druge kraje. Vsa imena umetnikov so napisana tudi na plakatu, tako da mogoče zdaj najbrž ne bom čisto prav prebrala, ampak can you maybe you will then name the artist, yes, Juan?
Okay.
Because maybe my name.
Okay, sure.
Okay, sure. In seveda danes dopoldne je bila razstava postavljena, to moramo vedno narediti dokaj na hitro in zato so zaslužni naši sodelavci, tukaj so 2 sodelavki, Nive Slevenšek in Ana Strle iz naše konzervatorske restauratorske delavnice, zraven pa sta bila še Bojan Levec in Boštjan Kolar, tudi Maruša je veliko pripomogla, naša mlada umetna zgodovinarka Maruša Ergič in pa seveda naša nepogrešljiva etnologinja Stanka Glogovič. Now I named my colleagues that helped that exhibition is here and put out this our little auditorium. So we have our Nives Slemenšek, Ana Strle, 2 boys that are not here now, Bojan Levec and Boštjan Kolar, and of course our Maruša Ergič that actually was a coordinator of the exhibition and everything that has to be done, and indispensable Stanka Glogovič that actually was here in 2019 and in 2018, and she is the spirit also, a good spirit of this cooperation. So now we can give a big applause. Naši gosti, tako da tudi brez njih bi težko to danes naredili. So you also helped that exhibition is here and that everything is in order and everything is great. So thank you also to all of you.
Torej, ko imaš ljubico, je seveda pametno se poročiti, ampak je pametno poslušati svojega očeta, ki pravi ne tako hitro, ker se lahko pokesaš. Torej, ne bom vam izdala, kaj se bo zgodilo na koncu, ker ko se poročiš, je vse drugače. When you have your lover, you have to marry, but it is wise to listen to your parents when they say don't rush so much, and because everything changes. But the guy in our song says, oh, it's beautiful to lay beside the woman at the night. But at the end of our song, it happens like in real life. So the wife is eating, all day eating nice chicken meat and drinking old wine, and the husband has to do everything in the house. This is in Slovenia, I don't know how it's
hvala lepa. I suppose you understood the spirit of this song. It was explained, but you can sense it. Okay, let's now go to your words, Juan. Please, nekaj besed bomo pregovorili. Juan, rekel, da ne veliko, so I will stand beside you, that I can translate, yes? Or you want to speak in Slovenian also?
I speak in Mandarin, and you can translate.
Okay. No problem. Thank you very much. Yeah, like that. Okay.
Yes, but no.
He's always joking. Yeah, that's why. It's nice. It's nice.
Thank you for everyone joining with us this opening reception tonight. First, I want to thank you, our director, our chairwoman, Alinka. So, not only that museum we are working together, as we have a very good friendship, and not only between Alinka and me, between Taiwan and Slovenia. Thank you.
Ja, najbolj ste razumeli, ne, ampak govori o tem, kako je vesel, da smo skupaj, ne, se mi zahvaljuje meni osebno in pa seveda, da to ni samo prijateljstvo med nama, ki resnično je med nami, tudi drugimi v našem muzeju, ampak tudi med Tajvanom in Slovenijo. Ja, it was loosely translated.
And I want to thank you for our museum, good worker, good team here, and for this exhibition that make this the beauty of Taiwan and the beauty of team here. Thank you.
Zahvaljuje se tudi naši ekipi, ne, ki je omogočila to razstavo, da smo lahko tukaj, da je ta lepota Tajvana predstavljena v našem auditoriju. In mi se bomo trudili, da bo tudi čim več obiskovalcev prišlo, da imamo res veliko skupin. And we will try to give this to as many visitors as possible during this short week. Yeah.
And we have a beautiful, quiet tonight. That is, our good friend, our good sister. Yes, thank you. And let me introduce our team, from centuries here. We have our museum, one of the board members, Dr. Taiwan.
Ne me zdaj več mi spraševati, prosim, ne to posneti. Zelo drag gost. Thank you for coming, Ken. Skupaj z gospoja. In
Hong Kong, And you want me to read that?
No, it's okay. No, we can read. It's better when you say the names because my pronunciation is not okay.
My pronunciation is not okay. When I say Mandarin,
you can say Mandarin something.
Yeah.
You can say.
Yeah, when I say Mandarin, sometimes
Okay.
Yeah. So
I can do that also in Slovenian.
So I want to say thank you for everyone. Thank you for this beautiful event, and thank you again.
Yeah. Thank you, Juan. Now we want to have njeno posebno presenečenje bomo naredili zdaj prav. Juan je imel 20. maja rojstni dan. Pa boste vi pele prav, on pa ne ve, ne, pa bomo videli kaj bo. Lahko. But we have a small surprise for you. Okay. Can we do this? No. Everything is okay. Okay, let's go. Najboljše zate, vse najboljše zate, vse najboljše, dragi Juan, vse najboljše zate. You had a birthday on the 20th of May. That's the World Bee Day, you know that, for very hard-working bees all over the world. And I think that you have the birthday on the right date because you really work hard and doing your best to present the beauties of Taiwan and the culture of Taiwan all over the world. And we are really happy that you are also here in our small country, Slovenia. Today we talked about the inhabitants. We have 70,000 in our area, and we just learned that how many Los Angeles, how many, 12 million? And Hong Kong, 8 million. And Los Angeles, how many?
9 million.
9 million, okay, I overdo it. Oversized it. Sem ga povečala, ne? 9 pa 8 milijonov, 9 milijonov Los Angelesu, 8 milijonov Hong Kong, about London, I think, even something like that. Yeah, something like that, to 9 milijonov, tako da, evo pa ste izbrali naše Brežice in naše območje, tako da res hvala lepa. In lepo, da en del praznovanja rojstnega dne bo tudi še potem malo kasneje. So this is just first part of the celebration of your birthday. Will be in our courtyard. But now we have this very important thing to do. Yes? It's time for cut the ribbon.
Yes.
Okay. Zdaj bomo pa, to je pač navada, ki so jo prinesli sabo že takrat. Mi tega res ne počnemo, razen če je pač kakšna novost, kar se tiče ceste ali pa otvoritev nekih stavb in tako, ampak je pa v bistvu zelo lepo in veseljem tudi za to vrstno priložnost režemo to rdečo vrv, ki ni vrv, ampak je trak, ne? Je rdeč trak. So now we invite the artist and we too, us too? Okay. Yeah, we can do this. I will do first and then you will go second. We have to look up. Let's go, Remo. We chose something that you can take to the airplane. Usually we give flowers, but I know that flowers you cannot take with you. So this is some small things from our museum.
Yes.
And of course, for our singers, this will be joint present. You will take nekaj za vsako, ampak damo skupaj vaši voditeljici, zborovski, oziroma predsednici.
Ne predsednici, predstavnici.
Predstavnici, ljudska, ok, so predstavnici. It's very small, the back is the best. Okay, and of course the last song, and then after that we go to our courtyard where we see the exhibition, and then we go to our great pavilion where we have some great, nice food from also our region, and of course wine that was given for this event by family Niger Runtas, wine cellar and Retnica Cave Niger. Se pravi, vino pa je iz družine Niger Runtas, vinska klet in Retnica Niger, vinorodno okolje Štafelsko. Za Retnice vi dobro veste, kaj so, ne?
Love conquers all, and at the end, our song is about a couple who is grateful for all the things they had in life. Nevertheless, they had only a horse, 100 years old horse, 100 years old cow, torn trousers and torn skirt, but many, many children who are the greatest.